Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to add or link live shipping cost calculator plugin powered by ShipVista.com to your Shopify store. ShipVista's real-time shipping cost calculator supports multi-carrier like Canada Post, UPS, CanPar and more that automatically displays real-time shipping cost and delivery estimates on your store's checkout page to your customers. Exclusively free to all new and existing ShipVista users. By our one-click shipping calculator, you can reduce abandoned carts, increase store transparency, and provide an overall better experience by showing your customers shipping information upfront. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. Let's first install the ShipVista Live Cost Calculator plugin. First, to make things a bit easier, make sure you are logged into your Shopify store admin account. Now you can install ShipVista Live Shipping Cost Calculator plugin on Shopify App Store by various ways. You can click on Add Apps under Apps and click on Shopify App Store, or you can click on Browse Dropshipping Apps under Setup Guide. Alternatively, on the left hand side bottom of the page, click on Settings icon. On the left hand side, click on Apps and Sales Channel. Click on Shopify App Store. Search for Live Shipping Cost Calculator. Click on Add App. They should redirect you back to your store and display information about ShipVista's policy to make sure you are about to download an app on your Shopify store. Click on Install App. Now you should see a live shipping cost calculator under Apps and Form to connect your ShipVista account. Fill in your ShipVista email address and password. If you do not have an account, creating a new account is easy on ShipVista. You can click on Create Account and register yourself on ShipVista platform. You can check out our video on how to sign up on ShipVista and follow the step-by-step guide. Before using the Live Rate plugin, we have to configure and set up store hooks, carriers and shipper settings. After completing the setup, plugin status changes to active, which can be seen on the home page. After you enter ShipVista email ID and password, click on Connect Account. Firstly, let's make sure the store hook option is active to listen for the ShipVista rate request from Shopify. So it's active. Next, to set up carriers, click on arrow icon under the Setup Carriers or click on Carriers under the navigation menu. At the time of recording this video, ShipVista supports Canada Post, UPS and CanPar as shipping and fulfillment partners. However, more carriers like Purolator and USPS will be added to this plugin in future updates. If you have your own shipper accounts with Canada Post, UPS or CanPar, you can link these with ShipVista account. Check out my video on how to easily link your own carriers with ShipVista. I will put the link in the description. Now use these switches to enable or disable the carrier or its services. If you disable any service, it will not appear when the rates are displayed to the customer, so you can pick and choose which service to show or hide. All changes will be automatically saved. You can change other preferences by navigating to the settings page under navigation menu. Following are some basic configuration settings that define how rates will be displayed to the customer. Fallback rate. Under basic, you can set a fallback rate for shipments if the service you selected is not available for a given shipment address in that country. Some retailers set it to 100, but my personal preference is to set 50. You can set fallback rate on per unit quantity or total order. I set to per unit quantity. Next is shipping margin. This is the percentage of margin you want to add to shipping rates before displaying to the customers. You can increase or decrease shipping margin according to your preferences. I set it 20. Next is handling time in days. This is the number of days for the item to be ready for pickup. Let's set it to 2. Next is transit time. It is the number of days it usually takes for the item to be delivered once picked up. Next is free shipping. This enables a free shipping option for customers based on predefined calculations. Next is free shipping max amount. This is the maximum amount for free shipping above which customer will have to pay the balance. Let us set it to 15. Next is free shipping days. It is the additional handling time due to free shipping. Let's set it to enable pickup. This will enable pickup services for your products. Pickup note. In this, you can leave instructions for customer for an in-store pickup. Pickup address. This option is to set pickup address for your store. Enable API logs. You can enable this option to log every shipping request made from your Shopify store. Make sure to click on Save Settings before leaving this page, otherwise your changes will be lost. As you can see, settings saved successfully. Now click on Shipper Settings to add the ship from address. In Shipper Settings, you can set your ship from location, country code, origin state, origin city, origin postal code, origin address. Let's fill in. Click on Save Settings. By default, size and weight are measured in metric scale or in centimeter and kilogram respectively. I will set length as 2.5 centimeter, width as 2 cm, height as 1 cm, and weight as 1 kg. Now these will be default settings, default dimensions. If I do not set any particular dimension for my product, click on Save Settings. These are the dimensions. One set will be considered default if not set for a particular shipment. Now if you want to restrict shipment discounts to country codes, add them to restricted postal codes. Navigate to the restrictions menu. You can enter multiple postal or zip codes as comma separated values in the given field and click on Save Settings. Now visit your store and add item to your cart. Click on Checkout. Click on Continue to Shipping. On checkout, you should see live rates from the carrier you selected in Quick Setup Carriers. As you can see, there is exact transit time and rates from different carriers on your checkout page. Thank you for watching, and I will be back with more educational content on ShipVista.com. Till then, keep saving, keep shipping with ShipVista.com.